Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShopGuy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best Amazon Prime big deals for October 10 to 11, 2023. Mark your calendars because Amazon Prime is turning up the heat with some sizzling deals and workshop products that'll make your inner handy person jump for joy. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just looking to dabble in some DIY magic, this is a golden opportunity you've been waiting for. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShopGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. For the first in the workshop category, we'll be showcasing the best Prime deals for tools organization. These picks, they're game changers. They'll make your day-to-day a breeze and supercharge your productivity. No more pulling your hair out in frustration. It's all about smooth sailing and getting things done. In this category, we have discounts ranging from 10 to 29% off. Our first entry is the VEVOR drill bit dispenser cabinet, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 10% discount. The VEVOR drill bit dispenser cabinet is a robust and efficient storage organizer that includes 3 drawers with a total of 116 compartments, accommodating drill bits ranging from A to Z and number 1 to number 60. Made from thick and cold-rolled steel with a rust-proof finish, it ensures durability and long-lasting use. Our second entry is the Stalwart pink toolbox, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 14% discount. Meet the Stalwart pink toolbox, your go-to companion for keeping things shipshape. It's not just a toolbox, it's a master of efficiency. With 4 removable clear plastic storage boxes and a spacious top section for your larger gear, this organizer ensures everything's in its place always. No more rummaging around for that one elusive tool. Our third entry is the AWP Carpenter tool rig with carry handles, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 28% discount. The AWP Carpenter tool rig with carry handles comes with 18 pockets and tool loops, providing spacious storage for your tools and equipment. The added features of a breathable air mesh padded belt, reinforced seams, and carry handles make it a must-have for contractors, technicians, handymen, and electricians, offering both comfort and convenience on the job. For the second in the workshop category, we'll be showcasing the best Prime deals for hand tools. In the world of craftsmanship, precision and versatility are paramount. The section of hand tools empowers artisans and professionals alike, offering a wide array of expertly crafted tools that enhance precision and elevate the quality of work. In this category, we have discounts ranging from 10 to 30% off. Our first entry is a VEVOR tap and die set, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 10% discount. Crafted from HRC 5562 hardened bearing steel and meticulously machined with a double polishing process, the VEVOR tap and die set offers unbeatable wear resistance and sharpness. With a comprehensive array of 17 dies and taps, along with a portable storage case, it's the ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Our second entry is a Workshop Hardware 35-piece Fastener Assortment Kit, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 30% discount. With a variety of sizes and a black oxide finish for corrosion protection, these screws are perfect for applications with limited access, offering high torque capability and easy installation with an Allen wrench. Whether you're working on machine parts, manufacturing equipment, or various mechanical applications, this kit ensures you have the right fasteners on hand. For the third in the workshop category, we'll be showcasing the best Prime deals for drills. For those who thrive on turning dreams into reality, this next category is your essential ally. From electric to cordless drills, our selection provides the versatility and strength needed to tackle any project. In this category, we have discounts ranging from 10 to 30% off. Our first entry is a Worx WX102L 20-volt PowerShare 1/2-inch cordless drill, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 30% discount. This cordless drill is a powerful and efficient tool that delivers exceptional performance with its brushless motor, capable of running 50% longer and providing 25% more power. Plus, its all-metal chuck material allows for superior bit retention, 2-speed variable gearing, and compatibility with the Worx PowerShare family of tools. Our second entry is the VEVOR 1-inch SDS-Plus rotary hammer drill, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 10% discount. With its high-power 32-ampere industrial motor and impressive 4.5 joule impact energy, this tool means serious business. And it doesn't stop there. It's equipped with a versatile 3-function mode to adapt to your specific needs. And guess what? When you invest in this tool, you're not just getting the drill. The package includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, a rapid charger, a range of handy accessories, and a portable carrying case. It's everything you need, neatly packed and ready for action. For the 4th in the workshop category, we'll be showcasing the best prime deals for plumbing. In the realm of home maintenance and professional plumbing, precision and reliability are paramount. These plumbing tools aim to equip both homeowners and plumbing professionals with a range of specialized tools to tackle repairs and installations with confidence. In this category, we have discounts ranging from 15 to 17% off. Our first entry is the American Standard Delancey widespread bathroom faucet with pop-up drain, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 17% discount. This bathroom faucet with pop-up drain set offers a combination of convenience, durability, and water efficiency. Thanks to its push-pop drain, durable brass construction, and WaterSense certification for water conservation, this faucet not only ensures lasting quality, but also supports sustainability while providing a sleek brushed nickel finish to elevate the aesthetic of any bathroom. Our second entry is the WOODBRIDGE B0960S single flush toilet, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 15% discount. The WOODBRIDGE B0960S is a highly advanced and comfortable toilet with features such as an automatic flush, hands-free operation, and a range of hygienic wash options. Plus, this ADA-compliant toilet also offers a heated seat, alarm air dryer, and air purification, making it a luxurious and hygienic addition to any bathroom. For the 5th in the workshop category, we'll be showcasing the best prime deals for chainsaw and outdoor power tools. When it comes to outdoor maintenance and landscaping, you know you need precision and power. These tools are the real deal, catering to both seasoned pros and homeowners, giving you that reliable edge for tackling those demanding outdoor tasks with ease. In this category, we have discounts ranging from 15 to 34% off. Our first entry is the Husqvarna 120 gas-powered chainsaw, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 34% discount. This gas-powered chainsaw is a versatile and user-friendly tool for home and garden tasks. With features like an effortless startup system, superior performance from the X-Torque engine, and reduced vibrations for easy handling, it offers an efficient and safe solution for a variety of cutting and trimming projects. Our second entry is the Oregon S52 AdvanceCut chainsaw chain, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 15% discount. The Oregon S52 is a durable and low-vibration chain that excels in reducing user fatigue, making it an ideal choice for prolonged periods of work. This versatile chain fits a wide range of chainsaw brands and models, including an automatic oiling system that extends chain life along with a tough chrome outer layer and hardened rivets for minimal wear and fewer adjustments. Our third entry is the Ego Power 14-inch Lithium-Ion Cordless Chainsaw, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 15% discount. This 14-inch lithium-ion cordless chainsaw offers an exceptional combination of power and convenience. With a high-efficiency brushless motor, weather-resistant construction, and tool-free chain tensioning, it delivers superior performance, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and homeowners. For the 6th in the workshop category, we'll be showcasing the best prime deals for arts and crafts. In the world of artistic expression and creative craftsmanship, arts and crafts is the ultimate playground for imagination. It equips artists, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts with a diverse array of tools and materials, enabling them to transform their ideas into tangible masterpieces, fostering boundless creativity and innovation. In this category, we have discounts ranging as high as 48% off. This entry is the Cricut Bright 360 Ultimate LED Floor Lamp, which at the time of making this video is offered at a 48% discount. The Cricut Bright 360 Ultimate LED Floor Lamp is a game changer for artists and crafters, providing exceptional clarity with diffused light that covers up to 4 square feet of your workspace. With a high CRI of 95, it ensures true-to-life colors, and its dimmable and adjustable lighting capabilities makes it a versatile and durable desk lamp for home offices, art studios, and workplaces, offering over 40,000 hours of bright, energy-efficient illumination. And there you have it, folks, our best Amazon Prime Big Deals, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuy.com excited this October 10 to 11, 2023. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, Please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShopGuy.com again soon.